Good morning, students. This is from Medha Solutions, our YouTube channel. In my previous videos of polynomials of 3 topics, part 1, part 2, part 3, I explained quadratic polynomials and cubic polynomials also. Now, I am going to explain biquadratic polynomial. What is biquadratic polynomial? How many zeros are there and how to find out the zeros. As I told earlier in my classes, any biquadratic polynomial, they will give you 2 zeros and we have to find under 2 zeros. The zeros are alpha, beta, gamma, zeta. See, our biquadratic polynomial's degree is 4, so that degree 4 means we have to get 4 zeros. In this, they will give you 2 zeros. We have to find out these two. Okay. This polynomial is in the form of ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where a, b, c, d, e are numericals. Now, here alpha, beta are there. The 2 zeros are root of 5 by 3 minus root of 5 by 3. See, the minus is outside the root. Suppose the minus is inside the root, no value because there are no negative roots. There are no roots for negative numbers. So that here root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. We can take alpha this one, we can take beta this one. Now, alpha is equal to root 5 by 3 and beta is equal to minus root 5 by 3. Now, with these 2 zeros, we know how to find out the quadratic polynomial. First, we have to find out the quadratic polynomial. Our formula is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is the quadratic polynomial. We can make it equal to 0 also. Now, implement these two values here. X square minus x into root 5 by 3 plus minus root 5 by 3 bracket close plus root 5 by 3 into minus root 5 by 3. I have implemented these two values here. Now solvation. Here plus root 5 by 3 plus into minus is equal to minus, and these root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3 cancel, and x square minus x into 0 plus weight. I'm not writing any symbol over here. I write only one line. See, root 5 by 3 into root 5 by 3 is 5 by 3. Because root 5 by 3 whole square, a root and square will cancel, and then 5 by 3 and plus into minus, symbol is there minus 5 by 3. That is equal to x square. This term cancel because 0 into minus x cancel, and minus 5 by 3 is our quadratic polynomial is equal to 0. Now take this quadratic polynomial. This is in the fraction form. I have to subtract the fractions by 1. So our LCM is equal to 3. See, 1 into 3, 3 into x square, 3x square minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3 transfer here, 3x square minus 5 is equal to 3 into 0, that is equal to 0. Now, we got an equation of 3x square minus 5. It is a quadratic polynomial. Now, we have to divide with this 3x square minus 5 of given biquadratic polynomial. Now, we are going to divide with this. Now, students, see, where I am dividing with this 3x square minus 5 of this given biquadratic polynomial. Now, first we have to eliminate this first term. 3x power 4. How to? I am giving a rough work here over here. See, this 3x square, write this by write this first term 3x square. We have to get the quotient. This 3 and 3 cancel. X square x power 4 में x square मिलेगा. So the finally the quotient is equal to x square. 3x power 4 by 3x square is equal to x power 4 means x into x into x into x. X square means x into x. So x into x and x into x cancel. Finally you will get a quotient of x square. Write that quotient here x square. And with this quotient you have to multiply this 3x square minus 5. X square into 3x square. 3x power 4. X square into minus 5. Minus 5x square. Here you have to write it because x square term is here. Now subtraction. So change the symbols. And this cancel. 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4. And then down this 6x cube. And here minus 2x square plus 5x square. It means plus 3x square. Now we have to calculate this term 6x cube. See 6x cube by our 3x square again. 3 2s are x square x cube may x. Okay. Now 2x is there quotient. That 2x we have to write here. Plus 2x it is. Plus 2x. With this plus 2x again we have to multiply this x square minus 5.
Now 2x into 3x square 6x cube plus 2x into minus 5 minus 10x you have to write here and then change the symbols, cancel, down 3x square. This plus 10x and this minus 10x cancel. Directly we can cancel over here and then this minus 5 you have to copy here. Now this 3x square term should be eliminated. Now 3x square by our here 3x square is equal to 1 plus 1, that is. So plus 1 quotient. This 1 into this plus 1 into this plus 1 into this 3x square minus 5. 3x square minus 5 only. Again change the symbols, cancel, this also cancel, 0. You should get remainder 0. See students, in this biquadratic polynomial, we are dividing with this quadratic polynomial, we have to get the remainder 0. Then only you are doing in a proper way and a correct way. So that we have to get the value of 0 here. Now we got a value of x square plus 2x plus 1 is a quotient. And with this quotient we have to find out the other two zeros by splitting this middle term. Now taking that x square plus 2x plus 1. 1 ka factor 1 into 1. 1 is equal to 1 into 1. So x square plus 1x plus 1x plus 1. Take common x here, x plus 1, and here plus 1 common. Again it is x plus 1, and then if in this 2 x plus 1 you have to take it 1x plus 1, and under this also x plus 1. X plus 1 into x plus 1 are the factors is equal to 0. Now here x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Here x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. We got the two values of minus 1 and minus 1. Two answers, that are two zeros. Now this is the gamma and the zeta. Our given values are root 5 by 3 minus root 5 by 3. Now all the zeros are root 5 by 3 comma minus root 5 by 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 of the given biquadratic polynomial. Now you can know how to solve this biquadratic polynomial to find another two zeros. And once again I am going to explain one more sum which some typical sum. That also, if you learn that sum also, you can easily find out the biquadratic polynomial ka other two zeros when two zeros given. Now students, coming back about the other sum. This also biquadratic polynomial, x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. The two zeros are 2 plus or minus root 3 area. I think this contains two zeros. Two zeros. The zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. This is the alpha, this is the beta. Because plus or minus symbol means 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So this is alpha, this is beta. Again, we have to form the quadratic polynomial with the given two zeros. Now, x square, you know this formula, alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Implement the values, x square minus x into 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Here alpha into beta. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Simplify. Here minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. X square minus x into 2 plus 2, 4. Then here 2 plus 8 into 2 minus root 3. See, a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Our formula is a plus b, a minus b. Value is a square minus b square into, in this method, 2 square minus root 3 whole square, that is equal to 2 square means 4 minus root 3 whole square, root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3. So 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. This is the one answer. Here plus, instead of 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, the whole value is 1. And then simplify again, x square minus 4x plus 1, and this is the polynomial, quadratic polynomial, x square minus 4x plus 1. We got this polynomial, and with this we have to divide this given biquadratic polynomial. Now we are going to divide with this quadratic polynomial. Alright, now here this first term x power 4 should be eliminated. X power 4 by this first term x square, that is equal to x square is the quotient. We have to write this quotient x square here, and this x square into all these three terms, x square into x square, x power 4, x square into minus 4x minus 4x cube, x square into plus 1x square. Here subtract, change the symbols, plus, minus, and here minus. This is cancel. Minus 6x cube plus 4x cube minus 2x cube minus 26 minus 1 minus 27x square. Down this 138x plus 138x, and then now we have to eliminate this minus 2x cube. Now find the quotient, minus 2x cube by our x square, and cancel here x. So minus 2x is the quotient, that you have to write here, minus 2x. This minus 2x into again all these terms, minus 2x into x square minus 2x cube minus 2x into minus 4x plus 8x square minus 2x into plus 1 minus 2x, and then change the symbols, and then cancel. Minus 27 minus 8 minus 35x square plus 138 plus 2 plus 140x, and transpose here minus 35, and then this minus 35x square should be eliminated. So that is equal to minus 35x square by our x square. Cancel here, so minus 35 is the quotient, that you have to write here, and with this minus 35 again multiply all these three terms, minus 35 into x square minus 35x square, again minus 35 into minus 4x, minus into minus plus 35 into 4 140 plus 140x, minus 35 into plus 1, so minus 35. Again change the symbols, minus plus, minus 35x square plus 35x square cancel, plus 140x minus 140x cancel, minus 35 plus 35 cancel, your remainder is 0. Again we should get remainder 0. Now our sum is correct. Now we have to find out the two zeros with this, using with this quadratic polynomial, x square minus 2x minus 35 by splitting the middle term. Now we have to find the factors. 35 factors are 1 into 35 and 7 into 5, like that. So 1 into 35 is not satisfied here, minus 2 we should get. Now 7 into 5, okay, because here we can write minus 7, here plus 5. So minus 7 into plus 5, here minus 35, and then minus 7 plus 5 is equal to minus 2. Now splitting, x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 is equal to 0. Here common x, first two terms, x minus 7, here plus 5 common, x minus 7 is equal to 0. Our x plus 5, this into here 1x minus 7 we have to write it, is equal to 0. Now take x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5, x minus 7 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 plus 7, that is equal to 7. The zeros are minus 5 and minus 7. These other zeros are, you write the statement, zeros are minus 5 and 7. These are the zeros and gamma zeta. As two zeros given are 2 plus or minus root 3, 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. We got the other two values, minus 5 and plus 7. This is the answers. Now you know how to solve the biquadratic polynomials. Given two zeros are there, we have to find out the other two zeros. Students, and my next topic is trigonometry में values of trigonometric standard angles, means 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. In easiest way you have to remember, you can remember. Need not to by heart that values, whole table need not to by heart the values. Just a simple techniques and easiest way I can present over here, and you can easily understand, you can easily remember that values in my, that is next class. Now polynomial topics are over, and then students, please subscribe, please do subscribe my channel, and our it is also our channel also, because if you are there and I can explain here, so it is our channel, so that please subscribe our channel and like the videos and share the videos to your friends, classmates, any of your relatives are there, and then hit the bell icon all, then you will get all my videos as notification absolutely free. Students, in my description I am giving my mail ID, and you can write any doubts in that mail ID. I can answer your doubts and I can clear your doubts in this not only in the polynomials, real numbers, any topics I can clear your doubts. You can mail me in that my mail ID is there in the description box. You can find my mail ID. Thank you very much, and all the best.